Hi there! I am Teacher Siren, but you can call me Siren. I am a person with a passion to teach. I love to deal with children because I am a lover of simplicity. My hobbies are reading, watching English movies, and mingling with friends. I am also a big fan of English literature, debates, and reality TVs. These hobbies and interests helped me develop my English speaking, reading, and writing skills. I graduated at one of the prestigious universities in the city with a bachelor's degree in elementary education. This educational background has equipped me with enough knowledge to become an effective and a competent English teacher. The first 3 years of my teaching career were spent in a private school, and now I am happily serving in the Department of Education as an English elementary grades teacher 3 for 9 years. As an English school coordinator, teacher, and a school paper advisor, trainings and seminars were attended in relation to my job and responsibilities in the department. I have been trained to write essays, news articles, editorials, features, and the like, which helped me boost my English language proficiency. This paved the way to widen my horizon in teaching English to other cultures. I have passed the licensure examination for teachers. I recommend myself to students of all levels. As a trained teacher, I have the capacity to teach beginners, intermediate, and advanced students. I have enough knowledge on how to deal with students who begin to learn English or those students who have already developed their English macro skills. Hence, I can help them enrich their prior knowledge in English, and I am very willing, able, and approachable to answer their questions regarding our lessons. So, I invite you to enroll in my class, and see you later!